How to make a substitute for cake flour. Cake flour, which is 9% protein, which helps us in making cookies, petit fours, and also sponge cake in the most beautiful way. All recipes that need cake flour, we use this amount. A cup of all-purpose flour, 140 grams. Add 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 16 grams. That's it. Bring a cup of flour, mix it with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and the most important thing is to sift it 5 to 7 times. We sift the flour, you can see, and we sift it again many times when the quantity is finished. We sift the flour again and we sift it out. Then, after 5 to 8 times, it will come out fluffy and the cornstarch or corn flour will be distributed equally. With all the ingredients, we have the best cake flour. The best cake flour that we can use in biscuits, baking cake, petit fours, or tartlet. All of this video available on the channel and the tart shell. All of these types are available on the channel. If you haven't seen any of these videos, write to me and we will send it to you immediately. Don't work harder, just work smarter. Thank you.